In this video, we're going to show you how to install the door seal or door gasket on your dishwasher. So to install your door gasket, most of them just push into the channel around the tub. There are a few that have screws that retain them. You don't see them much anymore. Those are on the really older ones. So your new gasket, you'll find most manufacturers, in the middle of the gasket, you'll actually find a little bit of a dark line marked right on the gasket. So that's going to give you your starting point. That's going to be the very middle of the dishwasher. So by taking that mark and looking for the center of your tub, which is usually around where your door strike is, this way you'll wind up with the same amount of gasket on both sides. And basically, this is an easy install. You're just going to be inserting that section that's ribbed into the channel, lining up that mark with the strike, and just push it in with your thumb, and you're going to do that all the way along. Now you will have a little bit of excess on either side, and that just lays down at the bottom of the tub, and that's exactly the way it's supposed to be. It's not that it's too long or it's installed incorrectly. There's always that little bit so that when the door seals, it'll actually seal in that corner a little bit. And you may wonder how come there's not a gasket that's ringing across the entire bottom. They leave that out of there to provide what they call an air brake. So that allows the tub to vent. There has to be a way that air can get out of the dishwasher, because when the element's on and when the hot water enters, it's going to raise the temperature inside that tub. And if there wasn't a vent, then it would very much create a pressure inside, and it would actually pop your door open. So that's why you don't see a gasket going all the way around. So now that your gasket's in place, and with a brand new gasket, it's going to want to settle and adjust a little bit. So you'll just want to close your door, and you may find it a little harder to close for the first. You just push the door so it's latched, and then ideally run it through a quick cycle so that it gets heated up and settles into place. And that's how you install a door seal on your dishwasher.